In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a description to Asana project. By the end, you'll know exactly how to give your project the context it needs so your team can hit the ground running. A project description in Asana is your welcome mat. It sets expectations, explains what the project is about, and tells everyone how you'll work together. Think of it as the short guide you wish every project came with. It's the perfect place to include meeting details, where conversations should happen, and any other key information that prevents confusion later. When you're viewing your project in Asana, you'll see a dedicated description area near the top of the page, often in the project's overview section. It may show a prompt inviting you to add a description. To add your description, click into the description field and start typing. That's all there is to it. As you type, focus on clarity. Start with a brief statement of purpose, like why this project exists and what success looks like. A sentence or two is plenty. Then outline how the team should collaborate. If you prefer status updates on a schedule, write that here. If day-to-day chatter belongs in a certain channel, name the channel so people know where to go. This ensures that everyone communicates in the right place from the start. Meeting details are especially helpful. Add your recurring meeting cadence, who typically attends, and what gets covered. If there's an agenda template or a shared notes doc, mention it so teammates can find it quickly. You can also include details like naming conventions for tasks, how to tag stakeholders, or any standards the team follows. The goal is to remove guesswork and keep work moving. Keep the description scannable. Short paragraphs and clear headings within your text make it easy to read. If your project has sensitive information elsewhere, don't duplicate it here. Instead, reference where it lives. And remember, your description isn't set in stone. If the project evolves, click back into the description field anytime to refine and update it so the guidance stays fresh. Once your description is in place, teammates who open the project will immediately understand the purpose, how to communicate, and what to expect. That saves you time, reduces repeated questions, and helps new collaborators onboard faster. So to recap, your next move is simple. Open your project, click into the description field, and start typing a clear, helpful overview that includes meeting details, communication channels, and other essentials. A strong description sets the tone for smooth collaboration from day one.